Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Bitcoin enthusiast or just dipping your toes into the crypto world, today's video is packed with insights you won't want to miss. We're diving deep into the Bitcoin halving phenomenon and uncovering why it's not priced in yet. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for this. First, let me explain what exactly the Bitcoin halving is. Let's clear up a common misconception right off the bat. It's not a stock split. When the halving occurs, it's not like your Bitcoin suddenly doubles or halves in value. Each Bitcoin is made up of 100 million tiny units called Satoshis, and that won't change. But what does change is how miners get rewarded for their hard work. Miners receive a block subsidy of 6.25 Bitcoin for each block they successfully mine. But on April 20th, 2024, that number dropped to 3.125 Bitcoin. This halving happens every 210,000 blocks, or about every 4 years. It's built into the Bitcoin code, ensuring that the total supply will never exceed 21 million coins. Now, you might be wondering, what does this mean for supply and demand? After the upcoming halving, the daily issuance of Bitcoin dropped from 900 to 450. But here's the kicker. With nearly 19.7 million Bitcoins already out there, this decrease might not create the massive supply shock some are anticipating. Historically, halvings have often signaled the start of a bull market. The buzz generated around this event acts like free advertising for Bitcoin. And while we might see some fluctuations in mining profitability, the design of Bitcoin is incredibly resilient. If some miners unplug their rigs due to lower rewards, the network adjusts, keeping everything running smoothly. Every 4 years, Bitcoin goes through a halving, and historically, this has led to some incredible price jumps. For example, after the halvings in 2011, 2016, and 2020, we witnessed Bitcoin skyrocket several months later. If you look at the charts, you'll see a clear pattern. And guess what? Right now the signs are pointing towards a similar explosive growth cycle. What does this mean for us today? Let's explore. Now, let's talk about something that's super intriguing: resistance turning into support. We're currently in a reaccumulation phase, sitting right at those former highs, which is a fertile ground for growth. This new support level is priming Bitcoin for an incredible upward move, and it's exciting to think about where we could go from here. Okay, here's a fun fact for you. This current reaccumulation phase has lasted 185 days. That's longer than what we saw in previous cycles. For instance, in 2020, we only had to wait 160 days post-halving to see a breakout. So we're already overdue for some action. If you're feeling a bit anxious, it's time to get excited because a breakout could be just around the corner. The anticipation is building. Now, let's shift gears and dive into the market psychology. Over the last 3 months, we've been noticing a distinct trend: higher lows. This suggests that more buyers are stepping in, creating a wave of positive sentiment. It's like the rubber band being stretched. Once it snaps, we could see a major upward move. Imagine the momentum when we finally break through those old highs. It'll send a powerful signal that we're gearing up for that parabolic phase we all dream about. And it's not just speculation. Analysts and experts are also noticing this shift. They're observing similar patterns from previous cycles, emphasizing the historical context. When you couple that with the current market dynamics, it creates a fascinating picture of what's to come. The excitement is palpable in the community, and I can feel it too. Now, here's where we need to keep our feet on the ground. While we're all hoping for massive gains, historical data suggests that we should expect diminishing returns after halvings. Sure, we might see fantastic increases, but they may not reach the astronomical heights of previous cycles. So let's keep our expectations realistic and not get too carried away. A bit of pragmatism can go a long way in this volatile market. We're on the edge of something big. The question is, are you prepared for the ride? It's essential to stay informed and make smart decisions as we navigate this exciting landscape. To sum it all up, we're at a thrilling juncture for Bitcoin. If you found this video helpful or intriguing, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. I want to hear from you. Are you excited? What strategies are you considering? Let's chat in the comments below. Your thoughts might just inspire someone else in the community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.